If you're using cTrader but aren't familiar with cNumber, today I'll show you how to use Pineify to turn a natural language trading strategy into a complete cTrader cBot in minutes. Pineify has a cTrader AI coding agent. From the official website, we can access the introduction page. Here, you'll find a full feature overview that you can explore if interested. Now let's log in. After logging in, we see the cTrade AI coding agent, then we switch to the cTrader language option. This is Pineify's cTrader AI coding agent. It's specifically designed for cTrader cNumber development, capable of generating cBots and custom indicators, with a built-in knowledge base for cTrader. Let's walk through a real example. There's a pre-written message here, so we'll just click send. You can see Pineify now understands the request. Now Pineify, based on these rules, starts generating the cNumber code. Here we can actually see the complete cNumber code. Here you can see all parameters: strategy lifecycle, trading conditions, and position management logic, and the code is fully editable. The syntax checker shows no syntax errors currently. If the AI introduces syntax errors, Pineify's AI will automatically fix them until the checker reports no issues. Meanwhile, you can continue asking for modifications, such as changing fixed volume to risk-based position sizing. Just tell the agent, and it will update the current code accordingly. The final step in code generation is verification. Pineify runs the cNumber compiler directly. If there are errors, it shows the details, and the agent fixes them automatically. Beyond creating cBots from scratch, you can use it to develop custom cTrader indicators, fix existing cNumber code, or port trading logic from PineScript or MQL5 to cTrader. Once done, just put the code in cTrader to build, backtest, and demo test. If you'd like to develop your own cTrader cBot with AI, try Pineify via the link in the description below.